let's see how well it works. Today I'm gonna make a spray paint can shaker or spray can shaker for a drill. My material list for this project today is pretty short. I've got a 2-foot section of 3-inch ABS, a 3-inch ABS cap, a 5/16 bolt, 2 washers, and of course some glue to glue it all together. I'm gonna cut my pipe at 7 inches. That way my shortest can will stick out the top just a little so I can take it in and out. I made an entire video about how to glue plumbing pipe correctly. This video. I'll put a link to that video at the end of today's video. Before I glue my cap onto my pipe, I need to drill my hole for my bolt. I'm going to be drilling it just slightly off center. Next, I'm going to install the 5/16 bolt, 2 washers, and I'm going to use a nylon nut to hold the whole thing together. Now I'm going to prep it and glue it together. I'm going to let it dry and then we're going to try it out. We know that it spins, but how well does it work? I'm going to be using this for an upcoming project. It's been sitting on my shelf for over a year, and I don't hear the ball in there. So let's try it in real time, and let's see how well it works. Hey, that's got that ball rolling. Perfect. Simple, effective, and you could probably build this thing for about 20 bucks. I can't believe how quick and easy this thing was to make. I'll be using this for all my spray paint projects. Check out this video for how to paint camouflage. I'm glad you watched, and I hope you'll watch again.